Hey everyone, it's John, the Science Guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. I'm very happy that you stopped by my lab today. We're continuing our journey with UV light and some of the amazing mysteries that we can learn from. Be sure to definitely click on the link below, believemeachieve.com, scan that QR code. Why? Because there's so many other great pieces of content that you're gonna want to explore. All right, I've got this all set up for you here, this little pendulum. I'm gonna turn this UV light on. And I'm gonna go ahead and just let it rip. And you can see that it's making a line just like that. Now if I swing it like that, if I work in a circle, you'll see that we get different lines on there. I'll just kind of give it a little, see that? That's pretty cool. So that's happening because of this photo sensitive paper and the UV light. So we've been exploring UV light, which helps us see what might not be able to be seen with the naked eye because of the actual spectrum of the light. See, our eyes can only see a certain part, just like our ears can only hear up to a certain range, like dogs can hear a lot more than we can, different frequencies. Our eyes, very similar. We don't really talk about frequencies, we talk about the spectrum of light. And so when we have a different spectrum, we might not be able to see it, but when we use something like a UV light, or we talked about the chromatic paper, we're able to see what's not visible to the naked eye. I hope you enjoyed our journey in the last few videos about UV light and how they can actually help us with indications on things like hot temperatures, cold temperatures, and be able to monitor them. I am John, the Science Guy. Of course, you know me not only as that, but your podcast guy and of course your podcast coach. Be sure to click on that QR code or go to believemeachieve.com and make the choice, ladies and gentlemen. Click the PayPal link, buy my team and I a cup of coffee or a bowl of fruit or a scrumptious bowl of delicious desserts. Either way, we're gonna be grateful with those pennies and dollars. We'll invest them into new hardware, new technology, new equipment, new software to give you the most jaw-dropping motivational content. And yes, open your eyes so you can see and hear and experience the world by changing your perception and creating the reality and becoming a success like you've always dreamed. I'll see you in the lab real soon.